Good Saturday evening to northern Michigan. We have seen some light snow showers throughout the day today. A little bit more for us tonight, looking at around an inch or so tonight, and then possibly another inch tomorrow. Here's what's going on. Now we have low pressure located right over Ohio, working its way through the Ohio Valley, pushing eastward here. And then you see this line of snow, wintry mix, and rain. This is a cold front stretched right on down here through Indiana, Illinois, and then down towards Missouri. That'll continue to push eastward, so we are going to see the main event make its way out of our area. We are going to keep a little bit of snow in the forecast behind this system. So here's a look at Stormcast. Heading overnight tonight, lots of cloud cover, and we are going to again see some very light snow showers. Stormcast doesn't even pick most of them up. That's just how light they are. Looking at again maybe around an inch or so, and then that's how we start your Sunday. Now we look at maybe another inch throughout the day on Sunday. Overall, though, not a whole lot. You can see again Stormcast doesn't even pick most of them up. It's just enough to make those roads slick. So if you are headed out, just give yourself some extra time. Now, getting into your lunchtime on Sunday, headed out, maybe picking up those last-minute snacks, running those last-minute errands before the Super Bowl game. We are looking at pretty quiet conditions. Again, the majority of the snow will wind down, looking at a lot of upper teens, about 20 degrees for highs for your day tomorrow. And then by the time that the game starts, we are looking at pretty quiet conditions across the area, dropping to the mid-teens, and we're still going to see a wind chill of around 0 degrees to a little bit below that, so definitely bundle up if you are headed out. Now, driving home from that game, if you maybe watch it somewhere else, we're looking at temperatures again around the 6 to 12 degree mark. So we are keeping that wind chill around with us as well, right around 0 degrees, and we're going to keep those quiet conditions. Heading overnight into your Monday, great news. We have a beautiful day in store for us on Monday. Great start to the work week. Easy commute for us. Lots of sun throughout the day. Temperatures up around 20 degrees for afternoon highs. And then things start to change as we head into Tuesday. Now, we are going to start off Tuesday with some sunshine. Things relatively quiet. So that's good news for your morning commute. But if you look off towards Wisconsin, cloud cover entering the picture, and then at the very edge of your screen, you can see some snow. That's our next system. That's going to make its way in, so we'll see cloud cover increase throughout the day on Tuesday, and later in the day, Tuesday through Wednesday, we are looking at our next chances of snow. We do have a winter weather advisory in effect for all of these counties in purple here, so mainly the central, lower, and then southward. It goes until 10 o'clock tonight. Not a whole lot of snow expected. Again, 1, maybe 2 inches, if that, in accumulation, but it's enough to make those roads slick. Here's a look at your Super Bowl forecast. So again, we're looking at upper teens around lunchtime for those last-minute errands. Wind chill, though, going to have it feeling around 0 to 5 degrees with winds out of the northwest. As you're headed out to watch that game, we're looking at mid-teens, wind chill still feeling around 3, 4 degrees, if not down to around 2 or so below 0. And then by the time that game ends and you're headed home, looking at temperatures around 6 to 12 degrees. Now, cooler most temperatures are going to be in the UP, warmer ones obviously in the southernmost counties. Wind chill, though, going to have it feeling a little like 0 degrees, so definitely have that heavier coat with you. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast. We're looking at highs around 20 degrees really throughout the majority of the week. That system does come through as we head into the middle of the week, so that's going to cool us down a little bit as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. Chance of snow stays with us through those days as well, but we do look to dry out as we head into the weekend. Thanks for clicking at UpNorthLive.com.